Hey man, so I've had a look at this. I think, fundamentally, the stories are excellent. I mean, it's sort of the same story, but I think that basically, um, it's like the stories are cool. I definitely think that I could do better than these. Um, these are not specifically blog posts. These are what we call advertorials. So basically, a short advertorial is being real, even more expensive than a blog post. So an advertorial of this length would be about $300. Um, so that's what you actually asked me, what the price is, and I wanted to see if I can do better. So yes, I can do better than this. An advertorial is $300. Also though, just so you know, um, just so you know, I also do these kind of cool things where we make these very small pages. They only have a few paragraphs, right? And it's kind of like a kid's storybook. So especially there, because it's so story-based. Like we would have page 1, then we would have page 2, page 3. I think it works really well. And basically I was just gonna offer, shall we make it like a little longer? And give it this sort of structure. That's the main thing that I wanted to show you. Like, here's another good example. This is like cool stuff. Again, this is business to business, so it's very long. But that's the main thing. I wanted to ask if you think your partners would be into doing something a little more advanced, and you know, bring that up. It may be a little more expensive, but in my experience, these multi-page advertorials just work so much better. And like this is already a sort of cool story, but I think I think we can do so much cooler if we can get the multi-page thing going.